Hi, I'm Bruce, the inventor of the Batpan. Thanks so much for visiting batpan.com and for taking a moment to click on this video. I panned out my first few flakes of gold when I was only 9 years old, but I caught a serious case of gold fever when I was with my father at age 11 prospecting in Arizona when he scratched up this 1 1/4 ounce nugget. Since that time, I've been chasing the elusive yellow stuff all around North America. I've panned as far as from Alaska to Nova Scotia, and I've used all kinds of gold pans. The best gold pan is still the oldest, the Batpan. The Batpan is a cone-shaped pan. It looks like an inverted Chinaman's hat, and because it has that deep central collection point, even the finest gold drops quickly and stays securely in the pan throughout the panning process. The only drawback with the Batpan, it's a little tough separating the gold from the black sands at the end of your panning. You know, quickly separating gold from black sands is a holy grail for all gold panners. Well, what I've done is recently invented a pan that combines the best elements of the ancient Batpan with the modern conventional flat bottom pan, and have added a way to eliminate most of the black sand interference. I call it the Batpan in honor of the Batpan. The Batpan is pyramid shaped. It's an inverted pyramid with a deep central point with a pyramid that's called the vertex. It also has an area of ribbed material that's a safety patch here to keep you from washing out the unsettled gold in case you get a little carried away at the beginning of the gold panning process. And finally, we've added 2 wings to the Batpan that are made out of rare earth sheet magnets. These magnets hold and suspend the black sands out of the way of the vertex and the finishing groove. This unique combination has created a pan that's quick and fun to use. Actually, I was shocked at how quickly I could see gold in my pan the first time I used the Batpan. I'm used to the conventional method. You put your sands and gravels into the pan, you carefully pan everything down till you remain a little pile of black sand, and then you meticulously wash away the black sands until you see those little specks of gold. If you do it right, gold is the very last thing you see in the process. But with the Batpan, I can see gold in my pan in less than a minute. Let me show you how it works. What we have here is a Batpan into which we have screened through the Batpan grizzly screen some gold bearing gravels. We bring the level of the gravel up to the bottom of the ribbed safety strip, and then we immerse the pan just like you would a conventional pan and begin a process of shaking, stirring, tapping, whatever it takes to cause the heavier gold to settle to the bottom and the lighter material to rise to the top. This is called stratification. So after several seconds of shaking and stirring and stratifying the material in your pan, you begin tipping the pan away from you, just like a conventional pan, and allow the lighter material to begin working its way off the edge of the pan. With the Batpan, we continue this washing process until the lighter pans come up to the point of the vertex. So we washing off the lighter materials off the pan. We continue that until we just get to the point of the vertex, and then we resettle everything. Resettle everything to the center, and then resume the washing process. But this time, we wash everything off until we actually expose the vertex. When we get down to the actual point of the pan, we begin to see the yellow specks of gold showing up. Now, I've been doing this for 50 years, and still, every time I see those little yellow specks of gold in the pan, I get a little thrill. It's really important to notice that the Batpan allows this quick, instant gratification inspection because of 3 things. First of all, it has a deep central point for concentrating the gold like a Batpan. Second, it allows gold to settle more quickly because the black sands have been held out of the way. Notice how the black sands are clinging to the side of the pan here because of the magnets holding them out of the way. That allows the gold to settle through the lighter sands more quickly. And finally, the distance from the bottom of the pan to the lip of the pan is twice that of a conventional pan. Well, once I get to this place where I feel that old familiar adrenaline rush when I see that there's actually gold in my pan, I immediately turn the Batpan around 180 degrees, resettle everything, and begin the finishing process. Because it's pyramid shaped, the two sides of the pyramid form a groove, and that groove is an intuitive and simple way to finish panning with the bat pan. We begin washing off the lighter material, and we continue this washing away of the lighter material, the lighter sands, until we see the first specks of gold showing up near the vertex of the pan. At that point, we settle the pan down underneath the water and lift it up, and the bat pan collects an area of water that allows us to do a rocking process that washes away the lighter sands and leaves the heavier gold behind. Just continue this slowly towards the gold, quickly away, slowly towards, quickly away. You continue this washing process until all that remains is the gold at the vertex of the pan. At that point, you can use your sucker bottle or your tweezers to pull out the nuggets, or even a toothpick to take out the finest pieces and put them in your brag bottle. Well, thank you so much for watching the Batpan demonstration. If you'd like more information, visit batpan.com.